Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the latest social media tips and tricks. Today, we're going to explore how to see who commented on an Instagram carousel using your PC with the new update. This feature is incredibly useful for tracking engagement and interacting with your audience more effectively. First, let's get started by opening Instagram on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll see your feed filled with posts from accounts you follow. Now, find the carousel you're interested in. This could be one of your own posts or someone else's. Carousels are posts that contain multiple photos or videos, and they're a great way to share more content in a single post. Once you've located the carousel, click on the comment icon. This icon looks like a speech bubble and is usually located below the post. Clicking on it will open up the comments section, where you can see all the comments left by other users. Here you can scroll through and see who has commented on the post, along with their comments. This feature is especially useful if you're managing a business or brand account on Instagram. Being able to see who is engaging with your content helps you understand your audience better and respond to their comments more effectively. It also allows you to engage with your followers by liking or responding to their comments, which can help build a stronger community around your brand. In addition to viewing comments, you can also use this opportunity to leave your own comments. Simply type what you want to say in the comment box and click Post. This is a great way to start conversations and build relationships with other users on the platform. By following these simple steps, you can easily keep track of who is commenting on Instagram carousels using your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to manage your Instagram activity from your desktop, allowing you to stay connected with your audience no matter where you are. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks